Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, as you all know, we share our trade, we journal our trade here. So, and we also do also analyze the directional bias of various asset classes, right? So, guys, on this very video, we are going to be I'm going to be journaling our previous like about 2 weeks straight now. The trade that we took for 2 weeks now, I'm going to that's what I'm about journaling here, guys. So if you are watching, make sure you stay tuned and learn all you have to learn. Learn the lessons that we have learned from these videos, guys, so you don't have to go through them all again, right? So, guys, this was last week straight. So today is still Saturday, right? Saturday. So last week trade, I took a trade last week on the 1st of May here. So the 1st of May, which was on Wednesday. So this was the trade I took this date, right? So I took this trade. I didn't actually drop it on the group. No. These days, I really don't like dropping much of my stuffs on the group. I just the truth is, forex has not been really like market has not been so great. Has not been so great. So I just decided to just the few trades or the few of my setup that I see, I just decided to take them all alone, right? So that's just it, guys. So, however, everything I'm going to journal everything right on this channel. So, like I said, all through this year, 2024, from January to December, all our trades are going to be journaled on this channel, right? So, guys, this was the trade we took on May. Market hasn't been so great, so I don't take so many trades these days. So, this was the trade I took on 1st of May. Today is already what 11th. Today is 11th of May, so you can imagine. So, this trade was 1st of May that I took this trade, guys. This is last 2 weeks, right? Last week's trade. All right, so what did I see here before I took this setup, right? So, guys, like I told you guys, I've actually learned a whole lot. I have learned a whole lot these few days that I've not been taking so many trades. So, I've actually been studying the chart, seeing what the market is doing, and how I can better improve the win rate of my strategy, right? So that's what I'm more of doing these days. All right, so I saw a major buy here. This was a buy, and guys, one thing I actually don't like doing, I actually don't like trading more of other blocks and all of that, because like I told you guys, other blocks fails a lot, guys. So, and because of that, I don't like it that much, right? So when I saw this buy on a norm, like most of us will say, I follow the trend, right? So when I knew that seeing this buy, we were buying, we're still going to sell. After a buy, I've explained this already. After a buy, we are going to have a sell, right? So and this guy bought into this zone. This is liquidity void. So it came to for me, it came this came to fill up all this void here. So you can see it traded to this void, perhaps 50% of it, and then and you can see the market movement. I saw a change of character here. This was where I saw the guy. I was very patient with this trade. I won't lie to you guys. So I saw a change of character here after all these moves, right? I actually thought I was going to miss this trade. I won't lie to you. I actually thought I was going to miss this trade. Because this was the candle that was supposed to take me in, but it didn't take me in. Instead, it traded downwards. So I just had to leave the setup and just leave my pending order there, my limit order, and then thanks to God, it came back to my entry and it took me, and you can see the market sold very well, guys. So this is what the trade I took last weeks. I think the only trade I took last 2 weeks, right? Yeah. All right, guys. So this is it. As you can see right here. So let's go to this zone. As you can see right here, this was the trade. GBP JPY. Check the date, guys. So you can see the date is the same thing, is the same setup, guys. So this was the setup. So the next setup I was watching out for, I think earlier this week, on Monday this week, on Friday. Okay, this was even Friday, right? So no, on Monday. It was Sunday at night, right? So I after this massive bite, guys. So one thing I actually love in this strategy, what gives it a high probability win rate is liquidity, right? So when the liquidity is swept, right, as you can see right here, when the reason why I even waited to take this setup, right, even after seeing that price was just misbehaving, he didn't want to get to my entry, because I saw that liquidity was swept, all of these highs was done and all of this, and the liquidity was swept up. It came, grabbed all the liquidity here, and then caused a change of character. Guys, this is actually a high probability setup, right? So I saw the same thing right here, guys. So I saw the same thing right here. So I saw that price had come, changed character here, even here, price change character here, and then trader still grabbed liquidity down here, and then even change another character here. This was on Friday. So if I had like taken one, if for instance I do trade on Friday, I would have taken a trade there, and it would have been a loss, right, for me. So that's why I actually don't like Friday trade, because for me, on this most Friday setup, they are just fakes, right? And then the move is actually going to happen starting from on Monday the other week, right? So most Fridays move. So that's the reason I don't like taking Friday setup, right? So on Sunday night, I saw all of this, and I saw that liquidity was swept. Everything had been swept, right, guys? Everything had been swept, and then a new change of character. So when I saw these guys, I was like, this guy is going to buy. So I think market was already here, I guess so. Market was already here. So I was like, okay, let me wait for this guy to retrace to my entry, and then I will. Guys, this guy never retraced. Oh, this guy never retraced. So what I did, guys, so on my demo account, I just went to my demo account. I just knowing that this guy might actually not retrace after grabbing all this liquidity, it was just in this the buy was just impulsive, right? So on my demo account, I had to at least buy. Guys, from 70K, I moved it to 100K. Funny enough, I wish I can replicate that on my live account. Guys, so this was what happened. I missed this setup, guys. So and after ever since, I've actually not taken any trade on GJ, right? So I'm actually on a buy trade. You guys are going to see it, right? So let's move on to GBP USD. The setup, you can this trade you can see right here. This one right here. So you can see it actually ended on break even. So let me show you guys the setup. This was the setup on that very day. So after seeing all of this move, after this massive sell and all of that, so a change of character happened here, and then it retraced. I actually thought this setup wasn't going to work, but then it worked. It even traded almost 2 hour, guys, almost 2 hour, guys. So if it had even just traded up to this level, I would have taken some profit, but then it didn't get to. Sticking to my trade management rules, and then the guy reversed. I waited at night. I thought this guy was still going to try, never did. Stopped us out, stopped me out on break even, and then started going my way, guys. So that's trading for you, guys. That's trading for you. Trading just do some things to, guys. Trading is actually not easy. That's just the truth. All right, so these are the trades I've taken now. This one was this week, and the other one was the last week. So these are the only two trades that I had taken. No, no, not really. I think I have a trade here. So before I go to that point, let's go to BTC USD, because I actually dropped a signal on BTC, this BTC, right? This BTC chart. So I actually dropped the signal from here. I told you guys I actually took a trade here. Yeah, it was this level 62, 64, 200, and then we sold down to this point. So when we go to this point, I told you guys I was exiting. I actually exited some position around this level, and then some of my position, when I saw this change of character here, I exited my the remaining position, right? So guys, I actually dropped the message on the group here. I'm currently selling BTC, planning to hold it until it reaches 60K. And guys, believe it has gotten to 60K. So as you guys can see right here, I actually pretty head this trade from even beyond. I actually made a lot on this. Just I didn't drop my other results here. I didn't drop all of them here. So that's me. I actually don't like just prefer to keep my things just on a low, right? So guys, that's actually it. We made some profit in crypto and in forex as well. No loss yet, no loss actually. So I think last week and this week now, they are pretty nice weeks because we have actually made money, no loss at all recorded. Right, so guys, that is just it. And guys, I've decided to actually be trading cryptos very very well, to pay more attention to crypto, majorly features, right? I'll be trading features very more often now than before, right? So you see me post signals on features, and I'll also be making videos on crypto, our crypto journal. I'll also be journaling our crypto trades, right? So guys, that is all, that is it. So let's just take a look at what BTC is about to do, so you guys see what I'm looking at right in the market. All right, guys, so please don't mind all these my levels. I think I prefer them like this, right? So BTC traded when I saw a change of character, a bearish continuation here, which is a break of structure right down here, and then guys, and you know this 60K level is a very very strong level. It's actually 60K level. That's why you see my level is down here. So guys, that is it. That is it. A 60K level is actually also a psychological level. And then price traded down here and then came here and swept liquidity here, swept this other block, swept everything, swept the liquidity here at this other block. And then when I saw this on the 4 hour time frame, I saw a change of character on the 4 hour time frame right here. So when I saw this change of character, guys, so this was what actually led me into taking that trade. So after I saw this change of character, I placed my limit order here. My stop loss was up here. My limit order was around this level, yeah. So the guy just tapped me in and then started going my direction. Although he didn't move well, guys, I actually don't like trading BTC. BTC is too slow. If I had taken other trades like others, I would have made pretty much more profit, guys. That's it. But it didn't really move so much. So BTC is actually less volatile compared to meme coins. Like Shiba Inu, Bonk, and all of that. So BTC is less volatile compared to them, right? So guys, this is it, and let's see what BTC. See, guys, the truth is, I actually don't know what BTC is about to do next, but I'm putting BTC in a range between this 60K range and this 65K range. So what I'm looking at, if BTC eventually comes, and then look at it, guys, look at this trend line, right? So if BTC comes now and takes out this high, this very high, guys, I'm going to be buying BTC to 73K. I'm going to take my buy position here, my stop loss somewhere around, I don't know, but I'm going to look for a good stop loss, and I'm going to buy it into this 73K level, right? So that's what I'm going to do. However, if it does not come to this level to break it, and then it breaks this low again with a nice candle body, right? With a daily candle close here. If it closes daily down here, guys, I'm going to start looking for sell entries again, right? However, right now this level where BTC is a strong level, which is 60K level, and then between 60K level and 65K level, I'm watching both levels. If it breaks this 65K level, I'm going to be taking trade up to 73K level. However, if it breaks below 60K level with a good candle body, guys, I'm going to be selling BTC, and I'm going to sell BTC into this 50K level, guys. So guys, this is actually what I'm looking at on BTC, so you can just use my idea and then just make better decisions, right? Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for staying tuned.